Hi, everyone. My name is Jessica, and welcome to this English listening practice. I hope you are feeling good today and ready to listen and learn. Today, I want to talk about food. Food is a very important part of our lives. We eat every day, and food gives us energy and happiness. I really enjoy talking about food because it is something everyone understands. People in different countries eat different food, but we all love to eat. In my daily life, I try to eat simple and healthy food. For breakfast, I usually eat something light. I like eggs, toast, or yogurt with fruit. Sometimes I drink coffee, and sometimes I drink tea. I do not like very heavy food in the morning because I want to feel fresh and active. For lunch, I often eat at home. I like cooking simple meals. I often make pasta, rice, or soup. I also try to eat vegetables every day, like tomatoes, carrots, or cucumbers. Vegetables are good for the body, and they make me feel better. When I do not have much time, I make a quick sandwich. It is easy and tasty. Dinner is my favorite meal. In the evening, I have more time to relax and enjoy my food. Sometimes I cook meat or fish with vegetables. Sometimes I order food from a restaurant. I like trying different food, like Italian, Asian, or local food. I do not do this every day, but sometimes it is nice to treat yourself. I also enjoy snacks. In the afternoon, I like to eat fruit, nuts, or a small piece of chocolate. I try not to eat too many sweets, but I believe a little chocolate is okay. Food should be enjoyable, not stressful. On weekends, I like to cook more. I try new recipes and spend time in the kitchen. Cooking helps me relax. I like the smell of food and the feeling of making something with my hands. Sometimes I cook for my friends or family, and we eat together. Eating together is very special. We talk, laugh, and enjoy the moment. I think food is not only about eating, it is also about culture, family, and happiness. Good food can make a bad day better. Thank you so much for watching and listening with me today. I hope this practice helped your English. Have a great day, take care, and goodbye, everyone.